Hello and welcome back to our channel. We have another cool video for you on ways you could make money online. That's right, we are constantly uploading videos on ways you could make money on the internet, so make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. Here we go. Today I'm gonna show you about a few ways to make money online using only your phone. That's right, only using your phone you could be making money online, so stay tuned and let's get going. So the first app I want to show you is Make Money Earn Cash app, right? So this is an app that has 4.9 rating, 4.9 rating, 6,903 ratings, right? You can check all the information on this app here at the App Store, but Make Money Earn Cash 4.9, almost 5 stars, number 82, 4+H, earn real money easily. It's such a good option for people to make money. Not every single app out there gets to 4.9 rating. 4.9 rating is a really good rating, so you can see each day is the best test you can get. You can get paid in real cash. You get paid through PayPal, right? So let's open this up and look at the rest of it. So just complete surveys, you look at videos, you do stuff like that, and you get money. So let's open up the app. Let's see what happens when we open up the app. So it's opening up and I do not want any notifications, I'm sorry. Welcome to Make Money, earn credits, complete simple tasks such as surveys or opinion panels and collect credits, get cash, redeem your credits for real cash via PayPal and get paid fast. Okay, so that looks awesome. Let's take a look at the terms of service. I always like to take a look at the terms of service every time I download a new app, just to make sure that everything that's in here is correct and that I'm not gonna get my information stolen or anything like that. So make sure you give a good read to this thing, if you're a little concerned about your internet security or something like that. This is something you could take a look at, right? So I usually read over this. I don't read every single word. I kind of skim over it, but it's always a good habit to have, to be looking at the terms of service. Once you look at the terms of service, let's say we want to go back to our app because we are completely cool with the confidentiality clause. I'm sorry, I have a little trouble with that word, but let's say everything in here looks good, right? We don't find any issues, so we want to go back to our app and start making money. So we will go back to our app and we're gonna hit start. They're gonna give us a 30 credit gift, a welcome gift. So we're gonna click get more to accept, and now we're in the app. So the app here has several surveys and tasks that I can complete to get points. Now we see here we have everything from inviting friends to surveys to playing games. Now another app I want to show you is Make Money App Cash and Rewards, right? So in this app you'll be able to do pretty much the same things as in the last one. You'll be able to answer surveys and do tasks to get money, but look at this. It has a 4.9 review with over 11,000 ratings. That means a lot of people think it's a great app. Now if we go over here, it says how does it work? Complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards, redeem your credits for cash via PayPal, and then get paid in 2 to 3 working days. It's very easy, it's very simple. If you have a PayPal account, you can already be doing this. So this is a great way to make money, right? Check out the app. Again, 4.9 rating with 11,000 ratings. It's not that hard to see that this app is actually worth downloading and actually worth trying out, right? So you can see more information over here, the size of the app, the category, etc, etc, etc. But the important thing is that it will make you money. So make sure to check out the app. As I said, it seems like a very good app. It's the #1 app to get paid fast. It's has complete and easy ways to get cash, and it's real money, no vouchers, right? So that's really cool that they pay you in real money through PayPal. So check it out in the App Store, and let's take a look at the app. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna open it. It's gonna send us to our app. I'm not gonna click on allow because I don't like notifications, but it says here complete tasks nearby, collect credits, and finally redeem your credits for cash directly on your PayPal account, so you get real cash. So again, as I always do, I always check the terms of service. So I click over here on terms of service, and it's gonna send me here to the terms of service, and you can take a look at those. Make sure that all of their terms agree with you, you know, like you don't feel like they're affecting your privacy or something like that. So make sure you take a good look over here, and if you are comfortable with it, go back to the app and let's hit start, right? So once we hit start, it's gonna give us another 30 credit welcome gift, right? And this is how our page is gonna be. Now if we look at our page, it's gonna look very similar to our other apps. Why is that? Because these same companies are trying to use different platforms to get your opinion, right? So it's very easy for you to find the same offers in different apps, right? So we see here we have Lords Mobile for 1,600 apps, we have Invite Friends for 200, Survey Blue for 240, right? So if we go here, it says that if we get to 5,000 credits, they'll give us a $5 PayPal payout. For 100,000, no, that's 10,000, I'm sorry, that's $10, right? So that's not many points. If we go back over here and look at these offers, there's a 240, 2,000, 550, 1,600, right? So if we do 1,600, we already got $5, and they didn't seem that hard. It seems like a 5-minute kind of task, right? So we could be doing this, we could be getting points, and we could be making money. So remember, that's the Money app, cash and rewards app, right? So now we're gonna go to Polypay paid surveys, right? This is the third and last one I'm gonna show you. This has a 4.7 rating, right? It's number 18 in lifestyle, and it's a very simple and easy way to make money, right? So this is very easy. Just answer simple questions and you start making money. You get gift cards or PayPal cash, you know. You can choose your payout method: Amazon, PayPal, Google Play, Spotify. You can invite friends and make more money, which is also awesome. So I recommend that you get this app. This is a really good app to get. This app has a 4.7 out of 5 rating, right? So it's very, very, very recommended. 3,000 ratings, and almost all of them are at 5 stars. So if people are that happy with the app, I'm sure this app is worth it. So again, we have a bunch of information here over the app, but we wanna check out what it does, right? So we are going to open this app, and it's gonna send us to our app itself over here, right? So first of all, we want to verify that we're over 16 years old of age. So we're gonna click on that I am over 16 years old, and then if we want to check out the terms of use and everything, we can, but we're gonna click agree, and then it's gonna send us here where we have to log in with either our Google, Twitter, or Apple account, right? So then you log in there, and once you log in with one of your accounts from somewhere, I'm gonna use Google in this one, right? So once I sign in, it's gonna send me to here, right? So I'm gonna click again, don't allow, and this is like my dashboard. It tells me I have 0 balance, right now I'm in Mexico, so it tells me Mexican pesos, right? So right now I have 0 balance, but I could start my first survey and make 417 for my first survey in just 5 minutes. It's not a lot of money, but it's something, right? It's something you could be doing if you don't have anything better to do. If you're kind of bored at home, in bed or something, might as well just fill out some surveys. Might as well just tell people about what you like and what you don't like. It's very easy, it's very simple, and you could be making money. So in order for me to get to payouts, I need to get at least 80 pesos. So in order for me to do that, I need to be able to make money. So I need to finish surveys, then make money, then I can get the payout. But I can get the payout through PayPal, which is a very, very cool advantage. So if you want to make money today, make sure you visit one of these three apps. Thank you very much for watching. We're very glad to have you back in our channel. We hope that you enjoyed this video. We hope that you download these apps and start making money. If you do so, please comment down below and let us know how that worked out for you. We thank you once again for watching this video. We hope that you subscribe, hit the notification button so that you get notified every time we upload another cool video on ways to make money online, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.